Hey guys, it's Jen. I am here today with another product review, and I cannot wait to talk about this neck and shoulder wrap because it has been a game changer for me, and I just want to let you guys know how much I love this thing. As you can see, you have this base, and it also has this little part that extends upward that you can place on your neck. So yeah, I think it's designed really well, it fits really well. At first I was a little disappointed that this didn't have a closure, like a button or Velcro or something, but actually there's enough weight to this product that it just sits really nicely and comfortably on my shoulders. I usually like to use it towards the end of a work week when my shoulders and my neck start feeling a little bit tense, a little bit sore. So I like to actually heat this up. You can heat it or cool it. You can heat it in the microwave in 30-second increments, warm it up, and it's just really nice and toasty and cozy, and I love how like comfy it makes me feel. And it also releases like all of the oils and everything, so you can really smell the different scents in here. So if you guys are looking for a heating and cooling product that you can use in a variety of different ways, I would definitely look into this. It's just so soft and so comfortable, and it smells amazing. And if you guys are interested in purchasing a heating and cooling wrap like this, then I will link the product link down below in the info box. I will just catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.